Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, which Samsung model and which SIM slot you're changing, because menus vary slightly. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and any VPN is off so settings apply cleanly. Now tap Settings, then Connections, then Mobile Networks. This takes you directly to the controls that manage network mode. You're ready to switch network preferences. Don't skip checking the SIM slot, because changing the wrong one won't affect the target line. You now change the preference so the radio prefers 4G. Tap Network Mode or Preferred Network Type. Manufacturers label it slightly differently, so look for similar wording. Next, pick an LTE/3G/2G option or an explicit LTE-only choice to force 4G instead of 5G. This reduces battery drain and stabilizes connections on weak 5G cells. If you don't see the option, make sure you open the correct SIM settings. Some Samsungs, you finish by restarting the phone so the modem re-registers with the network as 4G. After reboot, confirm the LTE icon shows in the status bar. If the device reverts to 5G, toggle airplane mode on then off, or remove and reinsert the SIM to force a fresh attach. If problems persist, reset network settings from General Management to Clear Carrier Profiles. This wipes saved Wi-Fi, but often resolves stubborn network preference issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.